Hey, this is Dave from housebarons.com, and together with Rich, my brother, and my son Caleb, we renovate houses. Today we're going to show you how to install a doorknob. Here we have the door. The hole is already drilled out for the knob mechanism itself, and this has already been pre-cut, which will have the plate and the lock itself. And so now it's just a matter, if your door is pre-drilled and pre-cut out like this, it's a very simple process of putting all the right pieces and parts in the correct order. So let's get started. This is the door lock set that we're putting on here, and basically how these things work is you have an inside portion, which will be where the screws are mounted, and your outside portion, which will only have that emergency access lock right there. This lock has a way to take the handle off if need be with simply an Allen wrench, but we won't need to do that today because the beauty of this particular handle set is that the handle swings down out of the way so we can get to the screws on either side without having to remove the handle. Alright, first we're going to go ahead and put in the lock itself. It has the plate on this side, and then this whole mechanism comes in one piece. One thing you want to be able to be sure and check on is this has two settings. One is 2 3/8 and one is 2 1/4. You have to know the distance from the edge of your door to the center of the hole. This slides over to 2 3/8 or 2 1/4, and you have to set that correctly in the center so that the rest of your handle set will line up. So all we have to do now is point the slanted side or the low side towards the strike plate when it closes against the door, so it'll close smoothly. Alright, so now that we slide the bolt in, we're going to take this piece, this is the outside part of the handle, which is clean with just the emergency unlock hole on it. Feed it through the square portion of the bolt shaft, and sometimes you can give it a little twist and turn and it'll go right in, and then that side's in. Now all that we have left is to align everything on this side, beginning with the shaft, and it makes a perfect sandwich. It slides right in there like that. Very easy. We're Amazon affiliates, so if you like this particular lock set or need any of these tools, just go ahead and click on our link below. We appreciate it. Okay, all we're going to do is put the screws in now to hold it, and that's as simple as it is. It's just these two screws. And put that one in on the left because it's a little easier, and then we'll pull the handle down. And then last but not least is the plate, and this just fits around the lock bolt and fits into that recess. And that's about it. Now we just gotta check the fit. And there you go. Now we already had the strike plate on there. It's just two screws, and there's already a hollow cutout place, so you just wanna make sure this aligns with your bolt shaft right there. I hope this helps you install a doorknob. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming. Thanks again for viewing, and we'll see you next time.